two peeps up in here, guys. We're alive. We're gonna try to see what we can trade today, of course, and make some money. Let's make some money today. But I do at least want to show the transparency, of course, and we're gonna trade every single day. All right, guys, so we're gonna go on a quick 15-minute call with the gang. Okay, because Isabel, gravy work for P-Olive wants one, but we'll figure that out later.
The grand total investment is $6,109.94. We do offer financing, of course, as well as we have back 3-year, $36,000 warranty.
Nice ass interior. Let's see, like, you get the crazy interior, full display dash. It is due to risk management. It's how I'm profitable, how every single end of the day, it does not matter. Even if I take a loss, I'll always recover later on. It does not matter. Good morning, my future fellow millionaires and my day traders. Now, guys, it is currently 6:28. Market's about to open up in 2 minutes. We're about to go live on YouTube, so let's do that right now and let's get it cracking. All right, guys, so we just started our live. Told everybody in Discord we're live, so let's see who pops up, as well as let's just trade today. Appreciate whoever is in here with JJ. Two peeps up in here, guys. We're alive. We're gonna try to see what we can trade today, of course, and make some money. Let's make some money today. Just chatting it up, trading. Of course, I'm a little bit boring. I'm not the best trader. I will never claim to be the best trader, especially my trading strategy. I will never say I have the best trading strategy, but I will at least say it is due to risk management. It's how I'm profitable, how every single end of the day, it does not matter. Even if I take a loss, I'll always recover later on. It does not matter because the risk management is there. So even though we're gonna go live every single day, and there's gonna be some days where yes, I take a loss, or even like today, I'm down 33 bucks. I don't plan on trading anything else just yet, but I do at least want to just show the transparency, of course, and we're gonna trade every single day. And I'm gonna show you guys, even when we do lose, we will recover. Even if there might be some days where, yeah, boo-hoo, we take like a $100 loss, $150 loss, but it don't matter because the next trade, when I capture a win, it's gonna go in favor, and that's all you need. All right, guys, so we're gonna go on a quick 15-minute call with the gang, and then also I'm still in a live trade right now, guys. We actually entered one more as well, and on a higher time frame, it's very simply just again a 15-minute breakout, pullback, whatever you want to call it. As far as it's breaking out, and this is a pullback, so we're gonna try to hold through all the nonsense. And again, on a 1 hour time frame, it does look pretty good, so we're gonna do our absolute best to hold it on this quick meeting real quick. Good morning, Melissa. Okay, because Isabel, gravy work for P-Olive wants one, but we'll figure that out later. So that was a very quick just call, pretty much just going over sales, how we sell, going over just scripts, you know, pretty much like, hey, Mr. Jones, welcome. We do a bumper inspection. Guys, this is what we do. We're competing. This is my mom's mechanic shop. I'm a sales advisor and I'm a sales writer. We learn how to sell. So pretty much you come in for an oil change, you pull your vehicle up, and we immediately pull it up, lift it up, and see what you need. See what's important. See what's a safety hazard vehicle. Of course, there are times where there's nothing. Some people maintain their car. But a lot of times, for the majority, people are just getting oil changes. So when they come in for an oil change, we check their brake pads, we check their tire size, we check all the fluids, check their maintenance, check the Carfax history, and we let them know, hey, you're overdue on these maintenance. We really recommend spark plugs. Based on your Carfax history, you haven't done these. While you're in here for an oil change, your total investment today to get these things done is this much. Would you like for us to go ahead and order parts? Those are the things. That's how you do it. And the thing is, while we're setting all that, we also do something very amazing. We pull the customer inside the shop, show them the brake measurement. We're going to give you a video and send it to your phone and show you your brake pad level, the measurement, the size of it, and then also even have a video at the very end that also just shows a little quick representation of why it's important to have good brakes, good pads, good rotors. Very fun. It's very fun. So we trade, and then we're also gonna go make some sales. Maybe I'll bring you guys along. Maybe you guys will hear me make some calls to try to upsell some things or sell some things. And that's probably what we'll do nowadays, honestly. Let's just make this video. Let's be transparent and show you guys the real reality of somebody who is trying to become a millionaire every single day. Every single day we're trying to work on becoming a millionaire. So we're gonna go and hit some sales. We're gonna go try to get some sales, guys. Let's go. Well, all that's going on, we're also in a trade now. See what this trade can do. So this is the shop. So this is how to turn an oil change into something a little bit more. So the person came in just for an oil change. I'm gonna go through the Carfax history. I'm gonna see what has been done, what hasn't. This is all the Carfax history. I just already did my own due diligence. Found out they didn't do spark plugs, so I got spark plugs labor already here. I'm gonna go ahead and source some spark plugs. See here, $112 ticket. To let's see if we could turn it into spark plugs or something else different maintenance wise. Hello. I just want to let you know that before we get started on your oil change today, and before we even complete our multi-point inspection, I did take a quick look at your Carfax history. And good news is you have been very consistent with your oil changes and keeping up to date with your maintenance. One thing that I did notice is you are coming to your 100K mile service here, and things that I would recommend, things that I even done on my own Honda, being that we both have around the same year Honda. I have a 2011, you have a 2010. Spark plugs are recommended around this time, of course, because you want to make sure your car ensures the safety for another 100,000 miles. So with that being said, I do already have spark plugs quoted. If you would like to give me a call back, we can talk about it. We can even get it going today during the oil change service if you would like as well. As well as a few things I did notice, like the coolant service, transmission fluid service as well, are things that are overdue, and I highly would recommend just to make sure that your car is insured with great maintenance and longevity on the road. So with that being said, I sent you a visual as well personally through my phone number. Have a great day. Looks like he's watching it right now. Shows right here at 10:41 a.m. He just watched the video while I was leaving that long voicemail. So hopefully he listens to that long voicemail. Hopefully he watches that video.
6? We're at 74, right?
Yeah. Oh, we're at 76. Oh, we're at 74. So we just need like
So we're at, for this month,
missed the shot on this
for my
customer. It's all good
commission,
though.
my break.
Bro, this makes me. This is crazy, bro. Customer declined spark plugs, coolant system service, transmission fluid service. But we didn't end there. We got him on the suspension shocks, and he does need a battery, guys. Totaling out to a grand total of 12,1049. First base, main concern. First base is main concern, being the oil change. Second base, hit him with the Carfax. Third base, after we do our multi-point inspection and see what is going on with this vehicle here. You can see we provide video evidence, photo evidence. We don't just say, hey, you need this without showing you. We show them. We showed him that he needs shocks. Third base got hit, and it rounded up to 12:10. It's currently lunchtime, watching my dream car interior review, and I'm eating some lunch. Our dream car for this year, and what we're working towards, is the Mercedes A220 A-Class. It's an A-Class, lower engine model, entry model to the Mercedes, but also nice ass interior. Let's see, like you get the crazy interior, full display dash, you get the ambient lighting, you get the touchscreen display, you get everything on this interior. Repair to your cylinder head gaskets, as well as how much would it cost pretty much just to do a full engine. So first, let's go over the cylinder head gasket. I hope you had a chance to watch the video. It does explain why it's a thorough process. Oh, great. I'm glad. I did put it together, chop it up. It was like 3 minutes long, chop it up to a little minute video for you. So grand total to do like something like that for your vehicle, the grand total investment is $6,109.94. We do offer financing, of course, as well as we have back 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. All right, guys, it was such a successful day. 2:57 p.m. We're gonna head on home now. Let's check out our sales here for the month and February 2nd to 27th. We gotta look at our net. What is our net? Oh, somebody's calling. Hold on. All right, so here are the real numbers, guys. 21,000 sold this week, and then if we switch from this week to this month, net sales 76. What am I thinking, guys? If we can keep doing this, if we can make 100, if we can make 200, the commission is about to be wild. And the fact that this is my mom's business, so it's like, it's a double win. All right, amigo.
See you, man.
Where's the Joel? Lunch? Yeah, Monday. Oh, yeah, Monday. Yeah.